The Karambit is a style of knife that came into popularity in Indonesia. It is a formidable weapon that was inspired by the claws of tigers. It was popular due to its deadliness and the many ways it could be concealed. There are many products available to choose amazing Karambit knives, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best Karambit knives from reputed brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Shade 9 Moby Grey Tie-Coated Karambit. Shade unexpectedly took the position of the Steel Tiger, the long-time favorite in this category. Their Karambit, the SCH-111, has the advantage of being made of 9 Moby stainless steel in addition to being less expensive. Compared to the more dated OZ8, it has higher edge retention and corrosion resistance. Titanium nitride coating was added by Schrade to further improve the blade's corrosion and wear resistance. The complete tang is skeletonized to reduce weight, and a length of paracord is included in case you decide to wrap the handle for comfort. A breakaway ball chain is also provided so you can hang the sheath from your neck. Due to its low price, quality control might be inconsistent, and some users have reported receiving blades with dull edges. It's also important to note that the 3.5 inches handle can be too short for people with larger hands, but if neither of those factors apply to you, this Karambit will work well. Number 2. CRKT Provoke Kinematic EDC Folding Pocket Knife. The Provoke, arguably the most bizarre Karambit on the market, was initially developed by knife designer Joe Caswell of Caswell Knives as an incredibly small, folding Karambit that could be used with ease and speed. CRKT quickly acknowledged the originality of his kinematic mechanism and released a production model. There are plain edge alternatives as well, but we chose the one with VEFF serrations. The handle of the Provoke is built of sturdy metal arms, which helps reduce weight a little. When not in use, a pocket clip made of stainless steel retracts to rest flush with the handle, reducing the likelihood of hot spots. The blade may be quickly and easily deployed with a downward flick of the thumb. The chisel ground blade is comprised of semi-stainless D2 steel, a tool steel that maintains an acceptable edge. CRKT added a black tin coating to D2 since it is more prone to rust than stainless steel, which improves corrosion and wear resistance. Number 3. Fox 479 G10 Black Emerson Wave Folding Karambit. The Fox Knives 479 is a popular folding Karambit that is both inexpensive and practical, although there are various variations of it. The one we chose has steel liners strengthened with rough textured G10 scales. It becomes slightly heavier as a result, but it also makes it feel more substantial in the hand. Even people with large hands can comfortably use this folder due to the ergonomics and roomy grip. The blade of Fox Knives is consistently made of N690 stainless steel and has their black hydroglider finish applied to it. The blade can be deployed primarily via the thumb hole, the Emerson Wave on the spine, or the flipper tab. Once you get the hang of it, the Emerson Wave functions fairly nicely, enabling you to draw and open the 479 in a single fluid action. With the flipper tab, the blade must be deployed with a wrist flick. Unfortunately, because the pivot operates on unpolished phosphor bronze washers, it's not uncommon for it to be rather stiff at first. However, this is only a short setback because phosphor bronze is self-lubricating and will eventually become much smoother. While some customers thought the G10 was too harsh, others thought it was exactly fine. While still a strong choice for self-defense, its blade is less curved than some Karambits, making it simpler to handle for small utility chores. Number 4. SOG Survival Karambit Knife. This is for all of you SOG enthusiasts. This Karambit seems like it would be sturdy and non-slip in a crisis because of its excellent grip and large finger ring. Ours is one of the greatest choices on this list if you want a Karambit that doesn't have a lot of curvature to it. The 2.6 inches sheepsfoot blade is long enough to tackle most tasks, but I must also note out that the entire length of this Karambit is 7 inches, making the grip broader and maybe more comfortable for those of us with large hands or long fingers. It is accessed this modified Wharncliffe blade with a curved raptor claw. Extremely discreet, the security knife may be held in either a forward or backward grip. Number 5. Grandway Fixed Blade Karambit Knife with G10 Handle. Ours is one of the better looking Karambits on this list in terms of looks. To prevent glare when using this outside in the sun, the full Tang 440 stainless steel blade is manufactured solid and has a satin finish. The G10 handle has a textured surface and is made to fit firmly in your hand. An easy carrying option is a tactical nylon sheath. If necessary, you may easily conceal this Karambit under a shirt due to its modest size. Grandway offers a 10-year warranty on this knife, which is fairly decent for a blade. These knives may be used for a variety of activities, including camping, hiking, backpacking, bushcraft, hunting and fishing, military and army necessities, outdoor and do-it-yourself projects, survival, self-defense, and emergencies. The Karambit handle's ring is designed for a simple forward and reverse grasp. For survival, it is cool. It is an excellent tool for the warehouse worker and is used in martial arts, self-defense, and hunting for cutting and skinning. Best for travel and outdoor camping.
That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information PF, if you want to know product price, do check out description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier. Thank you.